My name is Amanda Wodzenski. I am co-founder and principal at HIKE2. HIKE2 is a consultancy. We focus on Salesforce, we focus on data, we focus on AI. We work with a lot of different clients, a lot of different orgs, and it can be really challenging depending on how long that org has been in existence and how many different people worked on it. To really understand how it was built, how it was architected, in many cases we don't have access to any documentation or any of the people who were originally on the build teams. Prior to having access to Elements.cloud, when we would meet a new clients, we would take a lot of time to really understand what the current status of their org is. We would have to do a lot of overview, a lot of time with the business stakeholders, and just some real sleuthing around to understand what the org looked like, what the architecture was, and where the dependencies lied. Once we started to use Elements.cloud, we then had the capability to plug it in to their org and have a very fast understanding of what the current state, what the architecture was. It really allows us to go in and quickly get our arms around, what the architecture of the org looks like and where the landmines are. I think it's really interesting to have the level of access to the data and to really see, kind of what's being used, what's being adopted, how things are dependent on each other. We have the ability to plug Elements.cloud into an org that we're not familiar with. When we do that, we have a lot more information at our fingertips to really understand what's been done, what the current state of the architecture is, and where there are dependencies. Elements is a game changer.